Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and if you look right on my screen, you're gonna be seeing this website, Manatee technology. So as you can see right, experience the future of technology. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how this website works, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from this website. Um, and at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you discounts or bonus. So you need to watch this video to the very end to understand how this website works, what if you be interested. So right here first, I'm going to be showing you how this website works. So if I just come right here, scroll down all the way here. So right, if I just click on this, how it works. So right here you can see how Miratel works. So if I just scroll down all the way here, you can see that Miratel have unique features right here. They have amazing features right here. You can see them right here. So right here, but let me just show you how this website works. Right, you can see you get a weapon sum of 2,000 naira into your dashboard immediately after sign up. So you're going to be receiving 2,000 naira as a sign up bonus. So daily survey right here on Miratel is 250 naira. Daily welfare mirror post is 350 naira. So this means that on Miratel you'll be earning 600 naira daily just by performing simple tasks. Just watch the video to the very end. I'm going to be showing you how you can make 600 daily on Miratel. So this one right here, you get 2,600 naira per referral. So once you refer one person on Miratel, you're going to be earning 2,600 naira. And once your friends that you refer invite their friends, you're going to be earning 200 naira, and you're going to be earning third generation right here. Once your downlines refer friends right there, you're going to be earning 100 naira on Miratel. So you can see the withdrawal of non-referrals, people that did not refer, you're going to be withdrawing. The minimum withdrawal is 20,000 naira, and people that refer, the minimum withdrawal is 5,000 naira. So this is how this platform works. So and registration of this platform right here is 2,500 naira. So you get access to all the amazing features of Miratel. So right here, let me show you how you can register and get started on Miratel. So right here, if I click on this and get started right here, so if you click on the first link in description, it's actually bring you right here. Once you are here, all you need to do is just to put your full name right here, put your email address, put your username, put your password, put your phone number. And about this coupon code is you are going to purchase this coupon code with 3,500 naira, which is the registration. 3,500 that will allow you to have access to your account. So right here, if you don't have any coupon code, just click on this coupon code right here and get one from their verified vendors. You need to pay them 3,500 naira, and they give you the code that you paste here. So but I'm going to be giving discount for 20 people that you first and DM me on WhatsApp. As you can see my number right here, just DM me on WhatsApp. The link will be in description. Once you're on WhatsApp, just write YouTube Miratel discount, so that I will know that you are from YouTube, because it's people that is YouTube that I'm giving this discount. So that I know that you are from YouTube, just type YouTube Miratel discount, so I will know that you are from YouTube. So I'm going to be registering the first 20 people with 3,000 with 3,200 instead of 3,500. So you need to hurry and get registered on Miratel. So right here, or if you want to register on your own with 2,500 naira, once you click the link in description, that first link in description, to actually bring you right here. Once you put your full name and put your email address, username, password, phone number, and for you to get coupon code, just click on this get coupon code. Once you click on this get code, right here, it will bring you right here to their vendors right here. You can bring into the vendors right here. So right here, all you need to do is just to click any of these vendors right here. Click on any of these vendors right here and purchase code from them. So you pay them 500 naira. They give you the code. Once they give you the code, just come right here and paste it on this coupon code. So after that, you click on this I agree. Once you click on this I agree, after that, just click on this register. Once you click on this register, it will actually bring you right here. All you need to do just to put your username or email that you use and register, and put your password, and click on this sign in right here. Once you click on this sign in, it will actually bring you right here. This is what new account will look like. So the balance you are seeing here is affiliate balance. So you can ask me that where is my referral bonus. You see I'll be giving 2000 naira as a referral bonus. All you need to do is just come down right here and scroll right here. You can see activity earning right here. I'll be giving 2000 naira as a sign up bonus, but I've already performed my task, which I will show you how to perform right here. So you can see how the dashboard will look like. You can see. So for you to perform task on Miratel, all you need to do is just click on this 4 dot right here and come right here and click on this Miratel technology. Once you click on this Miratel technology, it will bring you right here. All you need to do is just to click on this 3 dot right here and click on this blog. Once you click on this blog, it will actually bring you right here. As you can see sponsors post for today. You can see welfare post for today, November 28th. Just click on this one right here. Just click on this image is on the screen right here. Once you click on this image, to actually bring it right here, all you need to do is just to come right here and click on this claim earnings. Once you click on this claim earnings, it will direct you to your Facebook. So you need to share the post. So once you share the post, just go back to your account. Your 315 naira will be automatically added to your balance. So as simple as that. So this is how to perform task on Miratel, which is very simple. You don't need to stress yourself on Miratel. You just perform simple tasks and earn 600 naira daily. So right here, as I said earlier, the first 20 people that will DM me on WhatsApp, I'll be registering them for 3,200 instead of 3,500. So right here, assuming you have earned, your activity earnings have reached 20,000 naira, or your affiliate balance have reached 5,000 naira and you want to withdraw, all you need to do is just come right here on this 3 dots right here and click on this user profile. Once you click on this user profile, come right here and put your account number right here and select your bank right here. You can see available bank right here and select any bank right here and put your account number right here and click on this submit so you know that you are buying your bank. So after that, for you to withdraw, all you need to do is just come right here and click on this one right here. As you can see right here, just click on it right there. Once you click on it, you can see withdrawal request right here. You can see right here, you just need to come right here and choose your withdrawal type. You can see affiliate withdrawal, task withdrawal. So all you need to do is just to select any, if it's affiliate withdrawal or task withdrawal, just come right here, put your amount right here. So I click on this submit request. So within some minutes right here, your money will be, within some minutes you will receive a lot. So this is how Miratel works. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all I want you to do for me just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification, so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So basically what I do in this channel is that I make videos on how to make money online. What I do is that I try to online. If I find out something working for me or something that's making me money, I record video by showing you guys so they can do the same thing and get excellent results. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. So thank you for watching.